All right, well, it's shaking. We're back. Got cherry picker in, as you can see right there. Got hook up trans in the engine, put it in. Sounds simple enough. We're gonna see. I'm deciding if I should hook up the flywheel to the torque converter right now, or if it'll be easier when it's in the truck, because then I can bar it over and see how easy it's going to be able to get. But I don't know, we'll do some navigating, see how much clearance and we're going to have with the stuff sitting around anyway. But yeah, today should be the day. Put the engine trans in. I do not, though, have the hardware for the engine mounts. But I can get it set in and just leave the cherry picker right there so that when I do get it, I can have it all already hooked up and ready to go. But yeah, it should be exciting. We should, we'll see how well it goes. Fingers crossed everything goes good, but you know, it's a project. Nothing can go perfect always. But yeah, I will start doing some stuff and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Quick little tidying up here. I had to make sure there was nothing that was like underneath suspension or anything that moves that would end up getting messed up in the process, right? So I had to finish putting in the junction block right here. And then I still have to find the master cylinder somewhere, so that's really not that big of a deal. But that being said, we should be good to put it in. So I'm going to spin this unit around, hook up the cherry picker to the engine, take off the bolts back here, which are held in these, one on each side right there. And I just found the, see those right over there? I don't know if I can, anyway, that little bag. Those are all the bell housing bolts. So, we should be set. We should be all set, and let's get started, I guess. I don't know. I think what I'm going to end up doing is, like, doing most of it off camera, and then just, like, coming in bits and bobs, something like that. Because this is kind of hard to get you guys set up somewhere. That's a pretty good... Yeah, but you can't see nothing, so... Anyway, I'll tinker around, try and find a spot that I can set you to make things visible, to say the least. But yeah, let's get started putting it in. Alright, so I kind of got you propped up over there for now, just as a precautionary, and so we can see what we're doing. Hopefully. Kind of hard to navigate this turd. Biggest thing is, you don't want to hit the car. That's a big no-no. Lined up for that. I do have to find, cool, stay there. I do have to find some wrenches real quick to see what size those bolts are on the actual engine hoist. Not hoist, that's the mount. Grab a couple of these. Come in. There we go. Got that one. It looks like a pretty big bolt, but I may be wrong. You wouldn't believe me if I told you. I done guessed right first time. First. You know, shaboom. Is it a little loose? little bit. Anyway, that'll work though. So I will set you down, put the engine onto the cherry picker. Somehow I gotta slowly spin it around so I can get to, yeah, you'll see. A lot of setup involved, but should be worth it here in a little bit. We're hoping it all goes smooth. I'll be right back. Here we are. We got it on the cherry picker. And now we gotta try and maneuver it to right there. Because I got the transmission set up. Probably can't see it right on the camera, but got the transmission set up right there so we can mount the two. Possibly. Might have to find something to set the transmission on because of the height difference, but we're gonna see. Make sure I don't hit the, excuse me. Stuck on a rock or something? Davy Jones locker. Okay. So it is in fact moving, but it does not want to. This looks sketchy on camera. It's because it's sketchy in real life too. Okay, so there's that. Back inside the transmission if I need to. Let's see. Right, gotta get a pair of needle nose or vice grips or something to grab hold of the little valve to open and close for the flow, the hydraulic fluid, which I do not see anywhere. So that's good news. Pause for the cause. I'll be right back. Ta-da! There is an engine mated to a transmission for the most part. Gotta come through and tighten all these up, but she's on. Now I do not have the bolts or the nuts on the flywheel yet, as you can see right there. There are little nuts that go in the back of that bolt the flywheel to the torque converter, which that is not yet finished up, but I can do that when it's in the truck. I don't have to worry about doing that out of it. So I'm going to tighten all these up, and then we're going to see how this this cherry picker here, if it's going to be nice and do what I want it to do, or we're going to have to figure something else out. Hook the tractor up to it or something, because she's a big girl. She's heavy. She's heavy. But we, yeah, making progress, so see you back here directly. Hopefully there's at least the cherry picker is in position and or engine and trans is in. But yeah, I will be right back. All right, she's bolted on. Now, it's sorta, because for whatever reason, this motor mount right here, or not motor mount, sorry, this trans mount right here, this one and this one, the bolts do not fit. Now, they're the same exact size as the other bolts. I think there might be some gunk up in there in the back of it and the threads, so I am going to put it in just to see if I can. I'm pretty sure I can still reach these with it in because I don't have fenders or anything on. But if not, obviously I'll just take it back out. But I'm excited, and I want to see what it looks like sitting in the truck. So, hopefully, if all goes well, I know I said last time that the next clip would be it in position, but hopefully, the next clip should be it sitting on here, motor mounts and trans mount. But we shall see. I'm gonna hope. I'm gonna try my diddly darndest to do it, but I don't want nothing to break or anything crazy like that. So if it looks sketchy or if it just isn't safe in general, I'm not gonna do it right now. I will wait and use a tractor or some other thing to set it up. But I will be back right directly, and we shall see what happens. Hopefully there's an engine sitting in this unit. I told you, it should be the final here moments of putting this big some gun in. Come on, press it. Wee bit. Okay. There's that. That should sit there. Gotta jump under there real quick. Righty. Let's see. There's that. That show's gotta come up. There we are. Okay. That's gotta come on over. That's hanging on by a thread. Oh, what are you? Probably speed sensor. Okay, I don't want to get my hands in there. But, alright. Okay, let's get out. Oof. Push on her and see if we can get her to slide. Hopefully that's what was holding us up. Maybe I should push on the motor. As soon as I pick this up, that's going to drop again. Dilemma. Excuse me. It's like caca. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, so bad news bears. Sort of. This is not a singular person ordeal. So I gotta have someone come help me with this job, because I have the motor mounts lined up for the most part. You can get them over a little bit, but if you see right now, I have a jack holding up the back end right there, as you can see, because you have to lift up on the tail shaft of the transmission. Because to get it up over top of the mount, there's a little, like it sits like this, and the mount right here, it slides over top, and a bolt runs through. But I can't do it on my own right now. So, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you need more than one person. And I gotta put those bolts in anyway, so if you can tell, there's not a lot of room back here in between the firewall and the block. So I'll have to take it back out again. But that's alright. At least I won't have to take it all the way out. I'll also have to take it out enough to put the new bolts in. But that'll be it's probably gonna be where I end off for today. Got the old engine in there. You can see it. Look at that. But yeah, anyway, I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Last few videos and stuff. That was cool. Please like, comment, subscribe, so you can see all the shenanigans I can get into. Because hopefully I can get this turd in here. Hasn't been too sketchy, but it's definitely a more than one person type of job. But yeah, I will talk to everybody next time, and see y'all then. Peace out.